today I am going to pack because tomorrow we have a vacation. Since I put in my use in the description down below, I said my whole family was gonna go on vacation, so let's go pack. Let's see what I'm gonna use. Guys, wait. No. Oh, look, I'm gonna take my swimsuit. Oh no, I don't have swimsuit, the top. Here's the other one, but okay, I'm gonna wear. Okay, just take that one too. And the two bottoms. They're two matching. And I've been waiting for this moment a lot. So I'm gonna show you my swimsuits. This is my top. I love this one because it stretches and comfy. And the bottom. This one is like small, but it fits on me. So again, it's this one backwards. This one, it's like a shirt, a crop top, but it's a swimsuit. And the bottom too is the same color, and the same theme. So here you can see my swimsuits. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but that's my swimsuit. So let's keep packing. So I have my two swimsuits. We're gonna stay there for 2 days. So my two swimsuits. Put them here, put that here, and here. So now let's see what we're gonna pack. I already have my swimsuits. Need some. Oh my god. Let's see. I guess these two. Ready. Ready pack these. Oh. What should I wear for me to sleep? Doesn't know use my pajamas from here, but I don't have any. Oh wait, no. Where is all of my pajamas? I think I've used them all because only the tiny shirts are here. Oh look, pretty unicorn one. Girls are strong, smart, confident, and kind. That's true. Sorry, haters, but this is true. And boys, but that's true. Why does my jungler keep doing that? And yes, I speak English and Spanish. Almost fell. What am I going to wear? Oh, I already have mine right there. Ow. What else do I need? Actually, no. My mom is gonna pack that. She said she is going to do laundry today. And we don't live in a house, just for you to know. We live in apartments. Put it back. And we already have, oh, my socks. Socks, because it might be cold right there, because it is always cold there. So, should I wear? That's the hardest part. I don't know what socks to use because I don't know what shirts I'm going to wear. Let me just get the shirts. Oh, look. And here's the book. We need a book. For where I'm going, we need a book. So here's the book. And I already have my wand. So, your room is so dark. Not that dark, but just a little bit. There we go. Right there. Okay. So, which one should I wear? My school uniforms. What? Uniform party? No. Oh, wow. I don't know if I want to wear this one. Because I'm already wearing pink one. It's orange, but it looks like a pinky. Should I wear it or not? I mean, should I like take it? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it back. What to wear? Oh, just for you to know, it's my shirt. I'm not taking it. Or should I take it? Every year I take it, so I'm taking it. Because we do go every year and every February. Oh no! Shirt! Okay, oh look! What I found. Girls can do anything. And that's true. But not that true. Of course I'm taking my Kuromi one. Of course I am taking these. So which one should I wear? So I'm going to take these two because I wore this one this year on February. Should I wear it again? Because I don't know what to wear. I also have a Selena one. I have Karol G and Selena one. Which one should I wear? Well, I don't like Selena that much. They asked me at school when I was in third grade. Too hard. I don't even know which one to wear. My baby Yoda pajamas. Look at my baby Yoda pajamas. Like baby Yoda. So I don't think these pajamas fit me anymore because at this is 10, 12, and I'm 14, 16. Yeah, girl, I'm not. And this was supposed to be for my birthday. This was supposed to be for my birthday, Isabella, but my birthday was canceled because we didn't have no money. So I don't know if I want to take this one. I'm not taking it this year. Can you stop? Oh my god, that scared me. The chair. I said put the chair there. Can you stop? Okay, finally, I got it to stop. supposed to go? I wish I had a cinnamon shirt too, but I don't have one. Should I take this one, Stitch and Angel, or I have a lot of shirts. Barbie, no, is my school uniform. Ow. I only have one shirt. So, hard decision. Just gonna take the orange one. Okay, so that is in the two shirts I'm gonna take. What should I wear? This one. Come on, that's good. Wear this one. The Optimist. What does that even mean? And the hangers off. These two. Take it and put it right here. Oh, I need to show you guys my collection that I have. Look at me, my collection. You can see it, right? Oh, there you go. I have my own collection of Sanrio, and that's fire. That's slays. There we go. Let me fold my shirts. Okay, so I already folded them. Now I need to look for some shorts. Wait, I didn't look for pants. I forgot about the pants. Just gonna put you guys right here again. And I don't really know what pants I'm gonna wear. I'm looking. Yeah, this one. You can barely even see my closet. Okay, there you go. Right. Those my closet and my back. Okay, I almost forgot about the pen because I love these. You can see me. Okay, so my nose itches. I want to sneeze, but I don't want to sneeze. These are my favorite pens. So taking them, fold it, make my this fold. So we need some space. But here's some shorts now. Also, I already have my water shoes. No, it's my dad's water shoes. They're black. I couldn't find my pinks. My size. If there was pink or purple of my size, I would be really happy and I won't take them. Oh my god. Put you guys right. There you go. Okay. So the reason why we're going to the water park is that it's my cousin's birthday. And my cousin's birthday already passed because it was on July 8th. And there was a storm here. And we had no electricity. As we didn't have electricity for 4 days. And my auntie for 5 days. And my other auntie for a week. So, nice for them. That was so bad. What do I pack now? I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna look for shoes. So now I'm gonna bring one. I'm a pair of chanclas because you guys there. Alright, so dirty here. So I took these pair of chanclas, filas. So, cause I always take them. So what pair of shoes should I take? I can only take one pair, so I have these purple ones. I have these purple ones. I have, oh whoopsies, these red Nikes. Oh, I love these. They're so comfy, but I've never wore them. Minnie Mouse chanclas. Comfy. Hello. And stay this one. No, pero si puedes hablar porque estoy hablando inglés y español. Mom is oh no. My mom doesn't like being recorded. So they're dirty. So we have these Skechers one, but I don't want to. Oh no, so oh no, never mind, not this one. I don't know what is this, cause it's like from this, but I don't know what this is, cause I don't know. My auntie gave them to me. I like them because of the color. Nike shoes. One pair only. Oh, I want to bring the Minnie Mouse, but I can't because I'm not going to Disneyland. So yeah, Nike shoes it is. And the Fila chanclas too. I have Crocs, but they don't fit me anymore. Like, look. Wrong one. This one. Yeah, this one. Like, they don't fit me. Bro, they don't fit me. Look. My finger can't even pop out. Look. You can see my finger here popping out. And I took off the Croc charms because I was gonna sell my Crocs, but then she forgot, I think, or maybe she didn't want it. My grandma didn't want it because she donates a lot of things to my grandma. Because I already have a lot of stuff. My mom is gonna donate my stuff because they don't fit me anymore. Like these pants, this shirt, this other shirt, this shorts, another of my pajamas, this, whatever this is, my other pajama, my second pajama, my old swimsuit, these and these shirts, yeah. So, she was over here. Okay, this is my mom's entire closet. Big, I know. especially color clothes. How do I get up now? Just kidding. Okay, close here. Ow. There you go. I got it. Oh, I need to show you my what's it called? My maleta. Okay. And it's color pink because I don't know if there was like purple. I forgot if there was purple. And my parents' suitcase is red. Nice color. That's my mom's favorite color though. So I already have the shoes and everything, and more everything, and a lot of everything. Put the shoes right here. So these are the ones I'm winging. Oh. What else do I need? Socks. Right. Just how many pairs of socks? I'm bringing one pair, so I'm gonna bring Minnie Mouse socks. That's red. Hang on. What? Only one pair. Close the door. My room. Where nobody's again in my room. It's my room. Shoes, one shoe, and oh look, I found my clock. Here's my clock, and it's charged. Nice. Oh my god, it has glitter on it. My mom does cakes, so she has a YouTube channel too, and so is my dad. Wait. Nice. What? Nice. No, turn off. And this is my cousin's dinosaur. My cousin's other toy, because every time that he comes to my house, he always forgets things. So, that's good. One pair of socks. So do I get my luggage now? Where is the charger of where did I left the charger at? My dad brought me one because it didn't came with one. Where is it? It cannot be lost. I have this other watch. I mean, not watch. Another clock. But it doesn't work because it doesn't have the QR code, I think you call it, or the SIM, whatever you call it. Doesn't have that, and come on, get in there. You get in there. I have like 3. This is the first one I got first, and then I had a green one. It's in my room. It's not charged. Right now. Oh my god, I almost fell. Tomorrow, my mom is gonna wake up very early, and I'm going to wake up at 9:30. No, actually not 9. Just 9. Because I'm gonna go to sleep at 10:30 today to wake up at 9. to wake up at 9 a.m. so I can get ready because we're gonna leave. Not early, we're gonna leave at maybe at 1 or 2 or 12. My mom has cakes to do, and yeah, that's totally it. What else do I need? I have my shoes, my pants, my 2 shirts, my 2 swimsuits. Because I know I need all of my stuff, but I'm gonna shower in the morning. So, what else do I need? My pillow and a blanket. I have a Corona blanket that smells bad. I don't know why it smells bad. Oh, it's not a Hello Kitty one. So I have a lot of blankets, especially for me. So this is my Hello Kitty one. And this one doesn't smell bad. I have an Isabella one because this was supposed to be for my theme party when I was 9, but I couldn't make my birthday. Here's the Corona. It's right there. Okay, don't fall. It still smells bad. So this is my Kuromi one. It says it here. It has Kuromi there. And it has Kuromi's face too. Right there. So I'm gonna fold it back again. I think I'm folding it wrong way. It's wrong way. This way. Back. Oh my god, this is bad. I'm so pretty. And yes, I'm recording on my tablet because I don't have I'm gonna do something because I'm bored. I'm bored now. Where am I chair? Why is this chair so low? Like it up. Go up. There you go. Up. Up. ¿Qué más necesito? ¿Ah? Ahí está dentro. What you guys have?
¿Llevas ropa para dormir? ¿Cuál es la ropa que te vas a poner para irte mañana?
Pensaba llevarme esto. No, esta no. Pensaba llevarme.
¿Para dormir?
No, para irme. No sé si la dejaron ya otra vez. Sí, como
¿Y que no tienes otra?
no sé cuál.
Pues cualquiera.
Here, I will wait. There we go. Now you can see Pikachu's face. Try more of this one. It's not. I like this one. Oh, look! I even have my bubble thingy. My bubble machine. Come on. Come on. But the problem is that the bubble machine only makes tiny bubbles. Me voy con esta mano.
¿Y qué pertenece al barro? ¿O qué todo?
Este leggings.
¿Con eso te vas a ir? Vale, pues déjalo ahí listo. Para que veamos ahí. ¿Esto es para venirte el domingo? Llévate el otro leggings.
¿El otro? There you go. Right there. And since I'm too obsessed with Kuromi, I also have a notebook. Hey, notebook and it's fluffy.
Para dormir esto. Vamos allá, pero... Llévate 2 pares.
Okay.
Espérame.
We're done packing right now, so I will show you guys later what my dad packed because he's not here right now. So I'll see you in a bit.